And for this first session, our first speaker is Professor Dr. Misni Bin Misran. He is a professor of chemistry in the School of Chemistry in the University of Malaya, Malaysia. Now he is presenting his talk on nano carriers in drug delivery system, emphasizes on nano preparation and application. So I welcome Professor Dr. So I welcome Professor Dr. Misni Bin Misran, please, sir.
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I'd like to thank the University of Raipur for inviting me to Pakistan. This is my second time in Pakistan. My first time was in Lahore. So, what I like about Pakistan is I love the food, especially lamb kebabs. So first day I was taken to one of the restaurants to have lunch. So very nice. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm not used to standing here in the roaster. But can I? Okay. Can I just? Yeah, they can still listen to you. Can you hear me at the back? Yeah. If my voice slowing down, please let me know. Okay. Actually, I come not very long way, about 6 hours, 5-6 hours flight from Pakistan, and I come from Malaya. And if you look at, you cannot hear me. Oh yeah. Alright, so okay now? Yes. Okay, this is actually my faculty. I have few pictures, but I thought I'd take it out last night and I show you my faculty. I'm from Faculty of Science. This is actually the original building where our university started in 1962.